Welcome! This tutorial is brought to you by the Research Experiences in Microbiomes Network, or REMNet, and the City University of New York. In this video, you will explore features of the Conditional Formatting Tool in Microsoft Excel and learn how to make a heat map. In order to follow along with us today, you have received taxa summary files produced by high-throughput next-generation sequencing and the QIIME bioinformatics pipeline, and you've opened this file in Microsoft Excel. If you need a refresher on how to open these files in Excel, please review our tutorial called Accessing Your Microbiome Data. As you work with us today, you are welcome to use keystrokes or your mouse to utilize these commands and functions or to select necessary cells. To orient you to this table, column A contains the hierarchy of taxonomy for each one of your OTUs or operational taxonomic units. Columns B through M report the relative abundance for each of your samples at each of the OTUs. If you need a refresher on the formatting displayed here, please review our tutorial called Organizing Your Microbiome Data. Before we get started, we will save our tab-delimited TXT file as an Excel XLSX file. To do that, we will go to File, Save As. From the pull-down menu under File Format, we'll select Excel Workbook XLSX, and we'll click Save. First, we will review the Conditional Formatting Tool. The top 10% most abundant OTUs are often identified in microbiome publications. So, we have our sample columns selected here. Under the Home tab, we'll click the Conditional Formatting Tool. We'll select Top, Bottom Rules, and the top 10%. In this window, you have several options to customize your formatting, and click OK. We can also use the Conditional Formatting Tool to observe frequency trends in the relative abundances of your sample. First, we will remove the current conditional formatting. So again, in the Home tab, we'll go to Conditional Formatting, Clear Rules, and you can remove them from selected cells or the entire sheet. Now, to apply your heat map, there are several options available in Excel. So again, select your cells under Conditional Formatting, and we'll go to Color Scales. But Excel also gives you the option to customize your heat maps. So we will clear the rules from our entire sheet this time. Select your columns, Conditional Formatting, and Color Scales again. And now, to customize, we will go to More Rules. In this menu that appears, I'm going to click a 3-color scale. We have many options available to customize the heat map you're trying to make, including your color scheme. And when you're ready, click OK. And now we have our customized color scheme. As you've seen in many publications, you can also hide the numbers in your heat map while still retaining this color scheme and your data. In order to do this, you need to select your sample cells I'm going to click on the first cell. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and you can remember do this several different ways, including using your mouse. I'll hit the Shift key and click the lower right-hand cell. Now we'll go up to Format, Cells. We will go down to Custom, and this may be in your list, or you may have to type it in, depends on your version of Excel. 3 semicolons under that type bar will remove the values, but not the information. So we'll click OK. And now we see in your heat map, the color scheme has been retained, but the numbers are no longer displayed. And to recover this information, you want to select those cells again under Format, Cells, Custom, click General, OK, and you can see that your data is intact. To summarize, you learned some of the key functions of the Conditional Formatting Tool, including how to make heat maps from your relative abundance microbiome data. Thank you for participating. If you found this helpful, we invite you to view our other tutorials guiding you through your microbiome dataset.